classification of crystalline solids. We know that they are of 4 types. See the first, ionic solid. The solid in which ions are combined up. These are known as ionic solid. See the example of NaCl. In the formation of NaCl, Na plus ion gets combined with Cl minus ion, form NaCl as a ionic solid. Next, covalent solid. The solid which are formed by covalent bond. We know that how the covalent bond is formed by sharing a pair of electrons. This is covalent bond. And solid which are formed by this bond is known as covalent solid. Example, diamond, quartz, boron nitride, and so many are there where there is a covalent bond and they are in solid state. Molecular solid meaning indicate that molecules formation where they acquire the solid state. Molecule formed where formation of solid molecule, these are molecules. Chlorine, methane, carbon dioxide, these are the molecules are there. Next, metallic. Metallic means metal. We know that the metal sheet of sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, gold, tungsten, platinum, palladium. All these metal wire form, sheet form, they are combined together all metals by the bond, metallic bond. And that solid is metallic solid. Systematic their properties in given in our notebook. The property are very simple. You read these properties. Next point is the crystal structure. When the crystalline solids are formed, how they acquire the different shape. That is known as the crystal structure. Our syllabus total related, that is the solid state, with the only crystalline form, not amorphous. In this chapter, the shapes are given of the crystalline solids. So we see now how the crystal structures are there. The crystal structure, crystalline form is formed by the lattice side. The arrangement of atom ion in three-dimensional form in systematic manner, that is known as an lattice. The arrangement of atom ion in three dimensions in systematic manner, that is known as lattice. Lattice means side. And these sides, how will be there? That is given by the chemist Bravais. So it is also known as the Bravais lattice. By this lattice, first resulting in the formation of unit cell. What is the unit cell? The smallest repeating unit of crystal. The smallest repeating unit of crystal is known as a unit cell. तुम्ही पार्ले बिस्किटचा मोठा पॅक असा बघितला असेल. त्या बिस्किटचा पुडा मोठा पॅक असतो ना, त्याच्यामध्ये काय करतात, छोटे छोटे बिस्किटचे पुडे ठेवले जातात. आपण ज्यानंतर बॉक्स मोठा बघितला तर ते छोटे छोटे बॉक्स त्यात कसे विस्कटलेले असतात का? नाही, ते कसे सिस्टमॅटिक त्याच्यामध्ये ठेवलेले असतात तेवढ्या स्पेसमध्ये. बरोबर तेवढी साईज त्याची अक्वायर केलेली असते. तो एक छोटा बॉक्स परत मोठ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये पॅक करतात. मोठ्या बॉक्समधला तो बॉक्स आणि त्यातले छोटे छोटे, त्याचा छोटा जो स्मॉलेस्ट आहे तो त्याचा युनिट सेल. तो त्याचा युनिट सेल. युनिट सेलचा मीनिंग स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ, smallest repeating part of crystal, very smallest, that is the unit cell. This is the unit cell. So unit cells are again of different type. In our syllabus main demand is given for the cube. So see here I draw this cube. This is the structure of cube. Our syllabus also included with the cube. See, this is the cube. Very simple. How to draw the cube? Draw the first square. In that, draw again another square. Join this. Join this. See, very simple cube formation technique. Very easy to draw it. Now, this side, this edge, it is known as A in chemistry language. This is edge is given the name B. This If it is cube, no, at that time A equal to B equal to C. For the cube, all are equal in the length. In maths we have seen cube means all sets are equal. A to B to C. Now see, very important that between the B and C side angle formed is same. That angle is known as alpha. Between A and C, AH and C, this angle formed is known as beta. While angle between A and BH is known as gamma. So this, remember what is the meaning? ABC and angle alpha, beta and gamma. This is the structure of unit cell. Now in our syllabus, which are the unit cells? They are classified into different types, mean three: simple, body, face center. Three are there. In our syllabus, three we want to study in the detail. That is simple, body centered and face centered. Now see here how these three different structures are there. This is the simple. What is the simple? Simply draw the one cube. This is the simple cubic cell. In short, SCC, which is also known as an primitive cell, which is another name, primitive cell. Second type is a body centered cube. This is the total body of cube. This is the cube. Three different type of cube, no? So this is the cube. At the center of body, unit cell body, at the center one atom. So it is known as a body centered, short BCC. Third type. This is the cube. Same like that. But here face centered. For the cube, how many faces are there? 6. At the center of each face, one atom is there. See, this face, one atom. Down face, one atom. This side face, one atom. Upper side, one atom. Front side, this atom. Back side, one atom. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 face. Each face center one atom is there. This is known as FCC. Now see, question will be for the 1 mark or CET. How many number of atoms are present in each cell? This is very important for the point of the CET. So remember here I am explaining. Total how many atoms at the corner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8. Upper 4, down 4, total atom 8, 10. At corner, each atom is divided into 8 sides. Here, another cube here, here. So each corner, one atom is divided into the 8 another sides. So how many total atoms? 8 cancel 1. So simple cube, total number of atoms must be present 1. For the numericals here, total number of atoms symbol here Z, it is 1. Very important for the CET point, very important. Similarly, we determine how many number of atoms for BCC.